Welcome to
my kitchen.
This is Tony World.
Right.
Okay, today we're going to make a brownie.
Brownie.
Yes. Then we have, what do we have here? What's this? Flour.
Fry.
1 cup flour.
1 cup fry.
1.5 cup sugar.
Sugar.
3/4 cups cocoa.
Cocoa
powder.
powder.
We have 1/2 teaspoon salt.
Happy put
I have 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. We have 1 teaspoon vegetable oil. We have half cup butter. And we have 4 eggs. And 1/2 teaspoon vanilla.
Half teaspoon vanilla.
Okay. First,
Wait.
we're going to put okay, Tony, put the flour. We just mix them all together, okay?
Yeah.
Flour.
Flour.
And then sugar.
Sugar.
There. Cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder.
Yes. And salt.
Salt.
Baking powder. And you mix it. There you go. I'm gonna hold it for you. Mix it. Careful.
Pardon.
Just
You do it.
okay. Mix it a little bit.
Over the eye.
And subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
Turn your notification bell on, so you get notified for our next video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, see you in there. Okay, let's put the egg. Oh, look at that.
This is what I
That's a lot of egg. Let's put the oil. Tony's making a brownie. Oil. Put in the butter. The butter. It's softened already. We just mix them all together. Okay, we do the vanilla. Okay. Just mix them all together. Which one do you want to use? This or this? This one. Okay. Mama help you.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Slowly. Okay. Mama's helping Tony make brownies. Okay. Say Happy New Year, everyone. How was your New Year, guys? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yes. What did Tony have today? Tony had a... What did you eat? What did you eat today?
No, I eat strawberries.
Strawberries. And?
Delicious strawberries.
The strawberries.
Inside the tummy.
Inside the tummy.
And the burger inside the tummy.
And the burger is inside the tummy too. Yes, everything is in the tummy.
And what is the tummy? Take it here.
See, yes.
Yeah.
Oh no, where's Tony now?
Right here.
Right here.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Bye. I go inside. It's and this is inside the house.
Yes.
Okay,
Mama's just
bye.
helping Tony mix it. It's a bit harder
Hi.
to mix.
Oh.
Just keep on mixing.
Okay.
Mix them all together.
Give and
Give-
Tony.
Give it, yes, give it a good mix. Okay.
Oh, me too. Oh, yeah. This one tongue.
Yes. Hershey's cocoa powder really makes a good
I see
brownies.
I'm making name on the Christmas doll.
Christmas, yes.
This is a Christmas doll.
Christmas star. What did you get from Santa, Anna? What did Santa give you last Christmas?
No.
No?
Santa's gone.
Santa is gone. He went to the North Pole.
What are you doing?
Just mixing it. Can you smell it, Tony? What does it smell like? Does it smell yummy?
Wait.
Say hi, guys. Guys, make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Leave a comment below. There's something you want Tony to do next for our next video.
Next video.
Yes. Just make a comment down below.
Comment down below.
Don't forget to hit the notification bell.
I smell.
You can smell it now. How does it smell?
Smell good.
Smells good. Smells yummy.
And to bye.
So welcome to my kitchen. Tony's kitchen. Is this Tony's kitchen?
Toy's kitchen.
Yes.
I can see it.
Oh no.
Guys.
Alright. Is that funny?
Oh, I can see it. That's good.
Yes. Okay.
That's great.
Anna, we're going to mix it more, okay? More mixing, okay? Let's put it down.
I smell.
You can smell? Does it
Cake.
smell? Oh, yes. What you doing?
What's that?
What is that?
I don't remember.
Put it back, Anna.
I smell.
Can you put that back?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Tony.
You're welcome.
Mhm.
Wait. Will be moved.
Tony is most of the time a good boy,
Get
right?
until only the okay.
What's going on, Tony?
Pony daddy.
And we're going to get our pan, our greased pan.
I smell
Do
good.
you smell it? Does it smell good?
I smell good.
Smells good.
Ooh, my friend say cakey, guys. What's that?
Yes, we're going to grease our pan. You want to do the greasing of the pan, Tony? Do that.
What's that sound?
Grease our pan.
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
what's that sound?
What's that sound? Is that a silly sound? Mm-hmm. Greasing our pan.
Tony, do it.
Okay, Tony, do the greasing of the pan. Our mama still mixing our brownies.
Tony, do it.
So guys, we're just gonna put this in the air fryer. We're gonna use air fryer for this recipe. It's easy to make. And your kids are gonna love it. Oh yes. We already preheated our air fryer. Okay. And should we put it there now? Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go, guys.
Go, guys.
We're gonna pour it into the pan, greased pan. Tony just greased it. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Here we go. This is our Yum, 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 yum. Tony's been craving for chocolate brownies. And this recipe is so easy. You can do with your kids. So you can do this with your kids. And this is really good. And then just spread it into the baking pan. We don't do it.
How's this one?